Alright, so here's my Snap-on toolbox. And the top drawer is pretty much done and filled. And it's very unorganized. I know where these tools are, by the way. But it's very unorganized. That's why I have something to show you guys today. Olsa Tools was nice enough to send me their socket organizers. We got our 1/2 inch. We got our 3/8, another 3/8, and we got our 1/4 inch. Let's set it up. Okay, again, this is before. These things are pretty sweet. I need to get more sockets, but pretty much filled all the way up. But thanks again.